Hello, today we are going to talk about the Intex Seahawk inflatable boat series. Includes deluxe aluminum oars and high output pump. Super strong PVC. Fishing rod holders, heavy-duty grab handles, gear pouch. Size 3-person, color green, brand Intex, material polyvinyl chloride. Product dimensions 116 LX 54. Item weight 14,380 grams. Age range adults. Inflatable raft great for fishing, relaxing, or rowing on the lake. The raft lets you enjoy your next trip on the water, creating unforgettable memories with friends and family. Features 3 air chambers, including an inner auxiliary chamber inside the main hull, filling quickly with the Boston valve for effortless setup and stability in various water conditions. Includes inflatable cushions, 1 gear pouch, 2 fishing rod holders, grab handles, oar holders all-around grab line, and 2 pairs of oar locks, ensuring comfort and convenience. Heavy-duty construction features durable PVC, an inflatable I-beam floor for comfort and rigidity, and 3 air chambers, ensuring long-lasting performance and stability on water. High output pump allows for fast and easy inflation and deflation. Dimensions: LXWXH 116 x 54 17 inches, providing ample space for water adventure and leisure activities. What do you think about this? Tell me your thoughts in the comments section, and please subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell for notifications so you never miss a new video.